In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Android not downloading and installing apps. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if your apps say pending or loading forever, the Play Store's internal queue is likely stuck. So what you want to go ahead and do is open up your Play Store. On the top right, click your profile icon, and then go over to Manage Apps and Devices. Now, if you see updates available or downloading apps, tap and see details like so, and then just tap cancel all if there's a bunch of apps currently updating. And this is because Android like prioritizes system level updates. So if there is a Google update, it'll block other app installs until those ones finish. Now, what you could also do is go over to your settings application, then go ahead and scroll down towards apps, which is going to be towards the bottom. Go ahead and click on it, and then you want to go over to see all apps by pressing the three little dots or pressing the search icon on the top, and then just going over and seeing all apps. Now, once you're here, all you got to do is go ahead and find your Google Play Store. So just go over to G, go ahead and click on Google Play Store, then scroll down and you're going to see storage as one of the options. Go ahead and click on that right there. And then all you want to do is clear the cache, and that's it. It should be working fine. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.